The island of Saint-Domingue boiled with tension. France's colony thrived on enslaved African labor, their sweat nourishing French wealth. Brutal conditions fueled unrest. Whispers of revolt turned to roars in 1791. Inspired by talk of liberty, equality and fraternity from faraway France, enslaved Africans rose up. They attacked plantations, symbols of their oppression. The Haitian Revolution had begun. Led by remarkable individuals who emerged from the plantations, the enslaved transformed themselves into soldiers. Their struggle resonated far beyond the shores of Saint-Domingue, shaking the foundations of the slave trade. Toussaint Louverture, a former slave, became the revolution's guiding light. His strategic mind was sharp. He trained his troops, turning them into a disciplined force. He understood the political landscape, navigating complex alliances with France, Spain and Britain. Toussaint's leadership transcended military prowess. He possessed a deep understanding of human nature. He knew how to inspire his followers, to instill in them the belief that they could overcome any obstacle. Toussaint Louverture's legacy as a liberator and nation builder continues to inspire generations of Haitians and freedom fighters worldwide. The Haitian Revolution raged for years. The revolutionaries, outmatched and outgunned, fought with unwavering spirit. They utilized guerrilla tactics, using their knowledge of the terrain to their advantage. European powers, threatened by the revolution's message of equality, sent wave after wave of soldiers. Yet the Haitian people refused to be broken. They drew strength from their ancestors, from the spirit of resistance that had been passed down through generations. In 1804, after years of struggle and sacrifice, Haiti declared its independence. The Haitian Revolution marked a turning point in history, a resounding victory against slavery and colonialism. The impact of the Haitian Revolution was profound. It sent shockwaves across the Americas and beyond. Plantation owners, once confident in their power, lived in fear of similar uprisings. In the United States, news of the Haitian Revolution sparked both fear and hope. Abolitionists drew inspiration from the Haitian victory. The revolution contributed to the decline of the transatlantic slave trade as nations began to question the morality and sustainability of slavery. Haiti's victory reverberated across Latin America, inspiring independence movements throughout the region. Haiti became a symbol of hope, a testament to the power of human resilience and the enduring spirit of freedom. Haiti's journey did not end with independence. The new nation faced immense challenges. Years of war had devastated the island's infrastructure. Foreign powers, resentful of Haiti's victory, imposed crippling debts and trade embargoes. Yet the Haitian people persevered, demonstrating the same resilience and determination that had won them their freedom. They rebuilt their lives and their nation brick by brick from the ashes of slavery. They established a vibrant culture, rich in music, art and storytelling. The spirit of the Haitian Revolution lived on in the hearts of the Haitian people. Haiti's story is a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. The Haitian Revolution was more than just a historical event. It was a seismic shift in the global consciousness. It challenged long-held beliefs about race, equality, and the very nature of freedom. The revolution's legacy continues to resonate today. It serves as a reminder of the horrors of slavery and the importance of fighting for justice and equality. It inspires us to challenge oppressive systems and to stand up for the rights of the marginalized and oppressed. Haiti's story is a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome even the most daunting obstacles. The Haitian Revolution stands as a testament to the power of the human spirit and the enduring legacy of the fight for freedom.